I'll tell you a story about your great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandparents. Once upon a time, there was this happy little town called Hamelin. The townsfolk worked very hard, even the children worked very hard, to build a magnificent clock tower that would please the mayor and the king.
You do your mayor proud. Wealth and fame will be ours. Hamelin Town is sure to be clockmaker to His Majesty.
The town had such promise that your ancestors decided to migrate to Hamelin. But the townsfolk accused the immigrants of stealing their cheese. And beat them with their broomsticks. It was a sad sight.
The mayor's office, we're calling on the mayor.
The townsfolk pleaded with the mayor to banish the intruders.
A meeting is in progress.
You have not been asked here.
Help us! You have to do something!
All complaints must be in writing.
Father, we've been invaded.
Invasion? Send a messenger to the king.
We will get the army.
Not by people, Father. We've been invaded by...
Out! What audacity! I'll issue forthwith a proclamation. Out! Stop it!
Oh, Father, not a proclamation. We need a fumigation to get rid of them.
Aye, that's right.
Your council has the situation firm in hand.
Out of nowhere came the Pied Piper.
Who are you?
On this, a special tune I'll play. And lure the rats away before there dawns another day.
If such a thing can really be, you're the very man for me.
There will be a fee.
Naturally.
How much money in your treasury?
50,000 guilders.
An idle boast, sir. You fool.
To rid your town of this verminous pox, my fee is 50,000 guilders.
50,000? He jokes! It's a hoax!
They finally agreed. The Piper lured your ancestors to their doom. It was a sad sight. But when the Piper came to be paid,
We require a legal form. 'Tis no departure from the law.
The mayor and his councilmen tied up the deal with red tape.
but he had his revenge.
However long your lives may be, you live in darkest memory to rue the day you sent the piper from you without his pay.
The town's clock stopped,
By the way, where are the children?
and he lured the children away like rats into a mountain, never to return. The townsfolk, heartbroken, finally paid the piper his fee. The piper then released the children. The clock tower chimed, and everyone lived happily ever after. What did you think of that story? Wait, where are you going?